Hello, this will be a project on risk analysis.
The purpose of this analysis is to determine the probability of an outcome, and a risk assessment was conducted for an anonymous individual over the past 2 weeks. Please note that we use objective probability and it is not a comprehensive risk analysis, as the use of expert opinions was not included in the analysis. Here's a list of events that occurred over the past 2 weeks of this individual's life, as well as their associated dates.
In this chart, each of the entities has been classified as being forgetful, tardy, or messy. There were a total of 5 events under forgetful, 2 under tardy, and 3 under messy. Next, the time between events will be determined for the forgetful category. First, I calculate the number of days between each of the events. Then, add them all together and divide by 5 to determine the average. The daily probability is then calculated by dividing 1 by the average plus 1. This procedure is completed again for the tardy category. The calculation is also conducted for the messy category.
From the analysis, we can conclude that this individual has a 33.3% of being forgetful in a given day, 16.7% probability of being tardy, and 20.0% of being messy in any given day. This analysis reveals that clearly this individual is at a high risk of being forgetful, tardy, or messy. It shows that the individual should first target their improvements at forgetfulness, since it had the highest probability of occurring. Perhaps they should consider getting a keychain, taking timeouts to ensure that they have all their belongings, or adding sticky note reminders in some of their belongings. Next, they should focus on improving their messiness. This can be done by not wearing white or never borrowing clothes from others. Finally, this individual should work on being less tardy. They can leave more time between events or perhaps set alarms to ensure that they are at the right place at the right time. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation on risk analysis.